Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Janelle and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I fit all this hair underneath my straight wigs. Okay, I showed you guys a video like this before, but I wanted to do a different one. This one is not quite as lazy, it takes a little bit more work, but it gets my hair as flat as possible, okay? As you can see in these pictures. So if you're interested in seeing that, then keep on watching this video. And by the way, just as a disclaimer, this video is sponsored by Nadula Hair. Okay, so I'm actually showing you guys how I moisturized my hair before I started twisting it down. So I have a few videos on how I moisturize my hair, so I'm just kind of gonna breeze through this. I'm just applying some leave-in conditioner and a little bit of this Carol's Daughter Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. So I'm just taking a generous amount, as you can see, and applying that to my hair after I spray some leave-in conditioner in there. I was actually trying out a different leave-in conditioner than normal, so I wasn't sure how I was really feeling about it though, but I'll get back to you guys. So after I apply the leave-in conditioner and the moisturizer, I'm just gonna twist my hair and move on to the next section. Okay, so now we've moved to my room, and as you can see, I braided my hair in two big braids, and I just kind of let that sit for a while because honestly, I was being lazy. but this is completely not necessary, just so you guys know. I'm just gonna undo these braids, and then I'm gonna get to parting my hair into a small section, almost as small as I could possibly get it, honestly. And then I'm gonna proceed to flat twist the section down. You're probably wondering why I'm not braiding, and that's because I'm being lazy. Braiding takes a little bit longer than flat twisting for me. So, but the only thing is that it doesn't lay as flat as braiding when it comes to the bottom. So you're gonna see when I get to the bottom, I'm gonna start braiding the section. You can see I just repeat that until I'm all done, and this is what it looks like. There's one twist back there that I could have done a lot smaller, but again, lazy, so you know, it's fine. My wig's still laid flat. So now I'm gonna move on to applying the wig, and I'm gonna skip past all of that because I have so many videos showing you guys how I apply my frontal wig, so just go ahead and check them out. I'll link them above for you guys. But this is what I look like after I've applied the wig and I'm put on a little makeup. Okay, had to get a little fancy. This video was sponsored by Nadula Hair. They sent me their Brazilian body wave hair in 18, 20, and 22 inches with an 18-inch closure. And this hair is honestly so beautiful, guys. Like, I'm showing you guys the natural pattern right now. I'm not even gonna flat iron or curl it because I just really like the way the natural curl is. It's so nice. It's so natural looking, and it's really, really soft. Again, just giving you guys some more shots of the hair because I'm just honestly showing it off because it's so pretty. And I'm just going to try to make the part look a little bit more natural. I'm going to add some concealer and some powder so that it looks more like my skin tone.
All I care about is money and the city that I'm from. I'm singing till I feel it.
And that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media. My handle is @JanelleSequira_XO. All the information will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!